Hey option traders, for today's option review, we're going to take a look at what's going on in AMC and a few other stocks, as the Reddit WallStreetBets crowd have clearly targeted a handful of companies yesterday once again. AMC stock jumped 95% yesterday, and luckily for call option buyers, they were able to cash in on the massive move throughout the day. AMC, along with other stocks such as Blackberry and Bed Bath & Beyond, saw massive call option volume as retail traders continued to squeeze institutional investors out of their short trades. AMC, Blackberry, and Bed Bath & Beyond options were the most actively traded of any stock or ETF on the day. So let's take a look at these stocks together to see which specific option contract was the most highly targeted. So we're on my Thinkorswim dashboard, and first we're going to look at AMC stock. So I have the ticker typed in up here, and we're going to look at options contracts that expire the week of June 4th, which June 4th is tomorrow. So they expire tomorrow. The highest volume contract was the 73 strike calls, which traded over 233,000 contracts, and the calls were up 2,462% on the day. And for Blackberry, ticker symbol BB, it was the June 4th 15 strike call, which is right here. And that one had traded 136,000 contracts, and that's what had the most volume. But there was also the June 18th 43 strike call, which is all the way down here. And that saw the biggest percentage gain at 1,450%. Clearly, out of the money calls are a favorite for Wall Street bets traders. And finally, let's take a look at Bed Bath & Beyond saw 35,000 contracts traded in the June 4th calls at the 45 strike. And those calls were up an astounding 11,080% on the day. Option volume went through the roof for AMC with over 4.5 million contracts traded compared to the 90-day average of 650,000. Of those, 60% were calls, 40% were puts. Blackberry stock was fourth on the total volume list with 1.4 million contracts traded, of which 1.2 million were call options. The 90-day average for option contracts on Blackberry is 162,000. For Bed Bath & Beyond, it was a much more sedated in comparison with only 282,000 contracts traded, but that's still a lot higher than the average of only 48,000. In this case, 65% of those options were calls. So what's clear is that some Reddit WallStreetBets traders made a killing on AMC, Blackberry, and Bed Bath & Beyond options yesterday. It's not often that you can catch moves like this, but when you do, they can be enormous. And there you have it, your option trade review for the week. Remember that options are risky and investors can lose 100% or more of their investment. So make sure you always practice with a virtual trading account before risking any real money, especially if this is new to you. And check out investors.com/options for more option trading tips.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching Investors Business Daily on YouTube. If you want to watch more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing.